Hello, and welcome to the unboxing of the tie bar. So I just ordered a few products from the brand the tie bar, and this will be the unboxing of a few products that I've just gotten in the mail. So the tie bar is a company that specializes in stuff like ties and bow ties, neckties, shirts, scarves, etc. Their website is www.thetiebar.com. This is my first time ordering some product from them. As you can see, it comes in a pretty good box, nicely wrapped. So I ordered a few ties and a sock for them. They also specialize in socks. So as I opened up, here are the products. I got eggplant colored striped ties and a knitted woven wool tie and a floral design sock. Let's go ahead and open them up one by one. First, the sock from the tie bar. These look pretty good to me. The designs are beautiful, exactly how it was described on the website. I got them for about $8, so I think it's a pretty good deal for this beautiful pair of sock. I'll just get this out of the way. Next is the wool knitted tie. Just get this open up. So it is. This is a tie that is woven with wool and it's knitted. That has a pretty good texture on it. It's a very good tie for daily use with a suit, going to work, stuff like that. Let's get it out of the way. The third product is the eggplant colored stripe tie. As I open it up, it has stripes of green, white, and purple. Nicely woven. So the stripe tie cost me about $19, and the knitted woven tie, wool tie, cost me about $25. Yeah, so these are the products which you can get from the site thetiebar.com. Like I said, this was my first order and I'm pretty satisfied with the products. So yeah, go check them out, thetiebar.com. Thank you.